Right, here we're going to do order of operations, maintenance mastery questions 6 to 9. You've probably heard of BEDMAS or BODMAS. They stand for brackets, exponents, division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. Where you have BODMAS, that means brackets of division and multiplication. And what that really means is that you do division and multiplication in whichever order it comes in, and the same with addition and subtraction. They are on the same level. So it's important that you know that. Brackets of division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. Basically, you leave addition and subtraction to last. That's the general rule of thumb. If you do that, you'll get it right most of the time. So let's have a look at this question. We've got a multiplication sign in here. Where there is no actual sign there, it's always multiplied between a number and a bracket. So we have to do brackets first with BEDMAS. 5 minus 3 is 2. So here we write our question again. 7 plus 8 times 2 equals, work out what your 8 times 2 is, that's 16. 7 plus 16, which is going to give you 23. For this next one, we have to do our powers first, our exponents. So you drop the rest down. 5 plus 9 nines are 81. That's not 18, it's 81. Minus 3. Work from left to right, and that gives you 82 as your final answer. Now when you come to negatives, people think that two negatives always make a positive. That's not always true. When you're adding, two negatives do not make a positive. And here's an example. If you've got -4 and -8, the answer is not positive 12. The first -4 tells us where we start. So we're starting here on our number line at -4. So you put that one there. Then if you go down 8 units, 1, 2, 3, 4, count down, it's going to give you an answer of -12. So we can see here that -4 and -8 do not make a positive. It makes -12. So for adding and subtracting, use staircases or a number line. -4 plus 6, here we would start at the -4, and then we would go up 6 here, and you'd reach a difference of 2. -4 and 6 is the same as 6 minus 4, 2. What about a double negative? A double negative always makes a positive, so these two here combine to make a plus. It really means 4 don't take away 3, so it's 4 plus 3, which gives us an answer of 7. When you are multiplying two negatives, that's when two negatives always make a positive. So you go 4 times 2 is 8, and the two negatives combine to make the positive there, so that's 8. 2, 4, 6, 8 negatives always become positive, an even number, when you are multiplying, and the same for when you're dividing. 6 divided by 3 is 2, and the two negatives will make a positive 2, which is just the same as 2. So do two negatives make a positive? Only when multiplying and dividing, and when you have a double negative. So be careful with that. Let's do one more. -20 minus 30. You start on a number staircase at -20, and you go down another 30. You would have gone down 50. So two negatives do not make a positive.